Let's see how it goes. In this video, we're going to create a works cited document for your project. So what you're going to do is, first of all, come to your Google Drive, and there are a couple ways to get to Google Drive. You can click on the black apps button up here in any tab and choose Drive, or you could click in Chrome on the apps button, the colored apps button, and choose Google Drive. Once you open up your drive, you're going to navigate to your grade level folder. If you haven't set one up, you should set one up for the grade that you're currently in for this school year. So I'm going to use the grade 5. So if you don't have one, again, you should set it up. And within the grade level folder, you should set up subfolders by subject area. It's not absolutely necessary, but it's a really good idea for good organization. So this particular project is social studies. I already have a social studies folder. If I didn't have one, I could create new folder right from here, or I could click the red new button and choose folder. I already have the social studies, so I don't need to do that. However, I'm going to double click on social studies, and I'm going to make one for this social studies project. Again, 2 techniques for new folder once you're in the folder. So I'm in social studies grade 5. I'm going to click new folder, or I can click new folder here on the left and click folder and make it be the name of Mesopotamia. And that's the project we're doing for social studies. So I create, and then what we're going to do is actually get inside of the folder to begin. So I'm in the correct folder, and I'm going to click New Google Doc. Right away, you should name your file, and we're going to call that Meso, and we'll let you get away with, you can either put the words works cited or WC for works cited, and then you can put your first name, first initial. Click away after you rename it, and now you're going to center the title works cited. MLA allows formats of Arial or Times New Roman in sizes 10, 11, or 12, so leaving it Arial 11 is fine. However, if you'd like to change it, you should do it before you begin typing. You should come here to the font style, change it. In this case, I can choose Arial or Times. I'm going to do Times New Roman, and maybe I'm going to make it be 12. That sets it for the document. Then I'm going to center, clicking on the center button over here, the title, and it's not bibliography, it's not anything but works cited. Press return twice, you're still in the middle, you're centered in the document, and you want to come back to left alignment. So you're going to click the left alignment button, and now you have an empty container that's waiting for you to paste in your first citation. The only other thing to mention is you might, if your teacher has asked you to share it with them, you're going to click share, and then you can come here to advanced and enter in your teacher's names and leave them as editors and click done. In this particular case, I'm not going to share it, and again, you should find that out from your teacher. This is the end of this video for how to create an empty works cited document.